Today my recipe is dal pakwan. Ingredients are onion, fine flour, dal and sev, coriander leaves, cumin seeds and more spices. Now process is, first take a bowl and then add fine flour and make a dough. Rest it for the half an hour. After that roast the dal, and for 1 or 2 hours you can sour this dal. After that boil this dal and take it after that, and take another bowl and turn on the stove and put that pan and add oil, cumin seeds. After that add dal and add tomatoes and mix it well, and your dal is ready. Serve it, and after that you have to fry the pakwan. How to do make pakwan? First take a dough and make a ball. After make a chapati and fry it, deep fry it. Okay, then you can serve it and garnish, like you can garnish with coriander leaves and onion and green chutney or sev. Thank you.